So the overall market is backing up a little bit, guys, and I wanted to make a real quick video for you. I've done a lot of videos today, a lot more coming out today, but felt that it was relevant to make this video for you to kind of let you know what I'm seeing. Now, we had earlier today, if you look at Bitcoin reached $44,999.16 right there at that 45,000 mark. Was obviously pushed back from that resistance level, and that is, by the way, a key resistance level. Now you can see it's backed all the way down to 44,3816. Now, what really the mantra, the message of this video is that we're definitely giving back some of those gains that we had earlier today. It's almost like we had kind of a 2-day nice run up, and I'm starting to feel like people are taking profits and things of that nature. Because if you look at your 7-day, you're still up 8 and 10% respectively. But you can look at your 24-hour, when we were up this morning, probably about almost 5% each for Bitcoin and Ethereum each were up. And you can even see it in the price action. Look in the chart right here. You can see we hit right here where my mouse is, and then we're giving back this little dip right here. Okay, now if we look at the impact it's having on some other tokens and coins, you can kind of see the exact same thing going on. Look, XRP was running nice consolidation pattern, giving it back up. Cardano is, Terra, Solana. Again, if you don't believe that they follow Bitcoin and Ethereum, all major altcoins do follow. Now, Shiba Inu doing the exact same thing. Okay, so major community token there doing the exact same thing. I'm not overly concerned about this. This feels like more of a profit-taking scenario. We've got the fear and greed index running at a 47 right here, right now, up from a 40 yesterday, which tells me, I don't like the word greed. I think of this more as confidence, fear and confidence index. We're at least coming back to a neutral territory from a confidence standpoint. Okay, now, real quickly, I want to show you this. If you look at like what's going on over on, say, Yahoo Finance, and kind of look at the overall markets, kind of similar scenario here where you got the Dow up about 89, but the Nasdaq is in exactly the opposite scenario, kind of going in that negative direction. Okay, so what's going on, I think, is there's new sanctions that are being targeted at Russia. Are they going to have effect? Are they not going to have effect? Yes, this all does matter to crypto, guys. It does. Okay, so keep your eye on the broader equity, stock markets, things of that nature. Always keep your eye on those broader market macroeconomic scenarios that are playing out. And again, finance.yahoo, I'm just the one I use. I'm not married to that. I mean, pick the one you like, Bloomberg, whatever it is, but just one that you feel gives you a good kind of neutral view of what is going on from a business and stock and crypto crypto marketplace scenario. Okay, so right here, right now, we're giving back some of those gains that we had earlier today. And if you think about it, we really had about a 36 to 40 hour run. So it doesn't really concern me that we've got some, what I again think is profit taking. We were at about a 2.11 trillion overall market cap. So we've dipped back to that kind of 2.08 trillion. Again, really just a flat scenario here. Again, I'm viewing this as kind of a long-term potential buying opportunity. I'm looking at some stuff like maybe he's picking up some XRP, some additional Cardano. I really like Solana, Polkadot, Avalanche in these scenarios right here. Some others that I really like, again, is Crypto.com, obviously now known as Kronos. Let me show you a couple that are really interesting. FTX is one that is a big whale play. A lot of whales are into FTX. Chainlink continues to do well. Look at that 7-day period, looking pretty good. I would also remind you of this one last fact, is that the pricing points you see right now are absolutely lower considering relative to their where we were at about 7 or 8 weeks ago. Okay, so even though, for example, let's just use Kronos, Crocoin, right? It's up 13% in the last 7 days. This is still discounted off of some of the levels that it's been. Okay, so that's my point to you, is don't just look at it in a vacuum. Look at it relative to what it was, say 7-8 weeks ago. I mean, like Solana is another good example. Solana was screaming and it's down trading around the $100 range. Polkadot similar. Okay, so that's kind of how I look at this too. Okay, because if you're looking at a buy and hold mentality, interesting points there, right? Also, I'm going to start saying this more and more. Whatever you do get into, again, not investing advice, right? Then definitely put a profit-taking plan in place as you roll along, okay? Take profits along the way. Or say, I'm going to take profits when it reaches a certain price point or whatever that may be. Take more profits, because that's the key. We're all in this to make money. All right, that's all I got for you from a major market standpoint. I'll be back later if something else has changed. See you. Bye.